Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert WMV files into AVI files. Let's get into it. Okay, so go ahead and open your web browser and you want to type in freeconvert.com/WMV-TO-AVI, or you can click the first link in the description. Before we convert, just make sure your file is not bigger than 1 GB, otherwise you won't be able to convert it. If it is larger than 1 GB, make sure you sign up and then you'll be able to convert larger files. So select the file, click open, make sure the output is selected to AVI, then click convert. Depending on how big the file size is, this should only take like a minute or two. Okay, so once it's finished converting, you just want to click download. It's going to download into your default download folder. Go to your download folder and then you'll see your file has now been converted into an AVI file. So just a quick note, the AVI file will probably be bigger than the WMV file. So just take that into consideration before converting. Okay, so that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Let me know in the comments if you have any problems and I'll do my best to help you out. That is it from me. Peace out.